So good evening, everyone. Today
Namaste, namaste.
I have with me Mr. Avinash Singh
Yeah.
from East India Company and Mr. Roshan Singh from Xiaomi Limited Enterprise. And it would be very interesting to know their views about India's bowling today. So, Mr. Avinash, my first
Thank you,
question.
Mr. Thank you.
No, save that for India's innings.
Thank you.
So, what's
Yeah.
your how does it feel like that? India went for so many runs in while they're bowling.
It feels good.
Feels
Because
good. Now you get to see India's batting. More
Yeah.
blistering batting.
सही कह रहे हैं हम.
That made the game more interesting. So that's the point. Now let's go ahead with Mr. Singh, Mr. Gupta. So Mr. Gupta, how do you feel that your country China is not representing in the sports of cricket? So do you have any
I
hopes
have
that they will join the cricket in future any further?
seeing the growing connection, the relationship between India and China. I do think there will be a future possibilities that there will be a match between India and
No,
China.
I don't think there is
Yeah, the China do not play cricket. I know that.
like you said there has been growing relationship. It's unlike it's opposite.
It's
The relationship between India
There
and
should
China
be a team.
is getting more and
There
more.
should be a team to
vulgar.
compete. आप चुप रहिए विक्टर जी. There should be a team to compete.
There
It's
should
my show. It's my show. You guys should.
No,
listen
stop.
to-
Grant.
shut up. Let me answer the question. You have
Yeah.
asked me a question. I will
Okay,
give you the answer.
okay. I am giving you all the time in the world.
Okay.
Explain your point.
What I was saying, it was sarcasm.
Oh, yeah.
It was sarcasm.
Sarcasm.
Sarcasm. Sorry, my apologies.
Your sarcasm is too bad.
You shut up. You dumbass.
Okay.
Now coming back to the real question. the
What
fact
was
of
that?
the matter-
Sorry, I forgot the question. What was the question?
What do you think about the India's performance in today bowling? Well, what I think, this is the first match in this year. I do think the bowlers have performed poorly.
Yeah.
There was a lot.
Surely they have.
There were a lot of unwanted balls.
No balls like free hits.
unwanted. Yeah, like free hits.
So do you
Unwanted pregnancy
are you
होती है, ball नहीं
suggesting
होती.
it was because of lack of practice?
Then I don't think they are all experienced players. It is it because of the lack of the practice. I do think.
No, I'm saying match practice. Match practice is totally different thing than practicing in net and all that other
Yeah,
stuff.
you can say that. You can also say that there has been change in the captaincy thing that might have also affected the bowler
Mentality.
Mentality.
They are taking their time to adapt to new captain.
They are taking their time to adapt to the new captain because they knew there will not be another time when Dhoni will captain them.
Okay.
So I do think they
I'm taking your point into consideration. Now let me go to Mr. Singh. So Mr. Singh, what do you think India's strategy should be while batting? Like they should go all blistering and play attacking cricket, or they should just take few overs lightly and try and grind their
They should play with their minds.
like how can you explain?
everyone plays with their mind.
Like
No, I mean,
opponents
they
man.
play with their bats, but they should play with
Like
their
how
minds.
drop the bat and
Yeah.
play like football, giving a header straight into the boundary,
No, you are not.
getting a point.
आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं.
बेटा आप हमें मत समझाइए. हम भी अपने जमाने में बहुत इंग्लिश बोला करते थे.
Okay. Now you can.
जब से इस इंडिया का मैं छोड़ गया इनको क्या करें?
Okay. So यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं
सुनिए मेरी बात.
बहुत ही दुनिया के अलग अलग कोने से लोग आए थे. एक इंग्लैंड से हमारे आए थे अविनाश सिंह जी, और चाइना और जापान के दामाद आए थे हमारे रोशन गुप्ता जी. So after getting to know
ये
their
हमारे
point of view,
पाकिस्तान के मुल्ला जी.
yeah, I'm from Afghanistan, you see, Pakistan. So after getting to know their point of view, it looks quite possible that India might chase down this target, looking at the depth of the Indian batting and considering
best of
the
India.
best of India. Yo, India rocks!
India rocks!
So best of luck, India, for your
We will
future
see you
endeavors.
We will come back to you after the inning of
After first inning, India's chase gets over. Hope that
After India wins the series.
Hope that India
We
wins.
will get back to you guys.
Okay, bye for now.